Hey kids, that's what we're gonna do today. I don't need to sand this down. This could be the bottom of it, top of it. There. Got my legs and a couple clamps just kind of holding them straight. These are the side pieces I'm gonna cut down. And know that big old nasty chunk is not gonna be there. You never see it. I got them all milled down, planed down. So these side pieces are 17, and these pieces are going to be like 9.5, but they're only going to be 2 3/4 inches wide. So I'm going to cut them down, pocket hole them, so I can put them to legs. Just set them back 1/4 inch off the front of the leg, so kind of a little offset, and put some stuff on to hold to the top that I got, so it can move around. So stay tuned. I'll back with another video after this. Hang on. Okay guys, working on the legs and the side. That's what I was doing. You see the little offset there? So, got those two done. I gotta make the piece that goes between them, and then I'm gonna start putting them on the base. I got these. I don't know if I could get my fingers to work to use to hold the top. I'll show you how I put them on when I get to it, but part of the process. There's not holes. I think you should go paint it anyway, so kind of why I'm making it out of popper, because popper paint's really good. Okay. That's what I got done so far. Top one. This is if I can do this. It's little black clips you can buy on Amazon. Sorry, I don't have a link because I've had them too long. I can't remember. Everything's pocket hold. They glued underneath. So here I'm gonna put some more supports. Well, I'm not sure if I'm gonna use another 2x2 or something flat like this to go between. I'm pretty much leaning to the flat one because it'll look better. But it's 1/4 inch, like I told you, 1/4 inch offset for that face, whatever you want to call it, skirt. Got the top, got a little patch I done there. If she's gonna paint it, that'd be fine, because this popper paint's real good. But anyway, that's what it's looking like, guys. I think I'm done for today. I think I'm gonna just say hey for a while and relax. Alright guys, I'll do another short video tomorrow sometime when I get down here and get to working on it. See what we can do with it. There's the blue dog. Alright guys, thanks.